Life after retirement is like opening a brand new book filled with blank pages waiting to be written. After serving many years as a teacher, a role I have always cherished as a noble service, I suddenly had all the time in the world, yet I found myself wondering how should I spend it meaningfully? My days were filled with the usual things like marketing, cooking, and sometimes doing private classes. But something inside me felt a little restless. Then one fine day, my daughter surprised me with some materials for a craft project. That simple gesture sparked something in me, and from the very first day, I became completely absorbed in my new hobby. It quickly grew into my more than just a way to pass time. It became my joy, my passion, and my little escape from the routine. I often feel the day is not long enough to bring all my ideas to life. With every creation, I felt a deep sense of happiness, especially when I shared my work with friends and family. Offering them as gifts made with love was my way of spreading joy, and their warm smiles became my greatest reward. Now, after experiencing how much this hobby means to me and how much happiness it brings to others, a thought keeps blossoming in my mind. Why not turn this passion into a small business? I believe it has a potential, not only as a creative outlet, but also as a way to connect with more people and share a piece of my happiness with the world. This journey is just beginning, and I'm very excited to see where it leads, whether it remains a cherished pastime or blossoms into a little business of its own. One thing it is certain, it has already given me a new purpose in life, and that I believe is the most beautiful gift of all. As I look back, what began as a simple hobby gifted my daughter has now become joyful creations by Noeline, a journey filled with love, happiness, and endless creativity. Every piece I create carries a part of my heart, and nothing makes me happier than sharing that joy with others. Through this space, I hope to inspire, connect, and spread a little sunshine, one creation at a time. Whether you are reading my blog, watching my videos, or following on Facebook, thank you for being a part of my journey. Your encouragement means the world to me. This is just the beginning, and I'm excited to see where Joyful Creations by Noeline will grow from here. After all, life that after retirement is not about slowing down. It's about discovering new joys, fresh dreams, and creative adventures. Thank you.